Hi guys, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 27. But before we start, let's review first what we learned in last lesson. So we have 洗发水、肥皂、牙刷、牙膏、香水、洗澡、纸巾、毛巾. So if you guys still cannot get it, please watch lesson 25 video again. So let's begin this lesson. Here we have three vocabularies: 树、太阳、土。树、太阳、土. So let's read together, guys. 树、太阳、土. One more time. 树、太阳、土. So the meaning of 树 is tree. 太阳 is sun. And 土 is soil. In this slide, we have three more vocabularies to learn. We have 天、云、田。天、云、田. So let's read together, guys. 天、云、田. One more time. 天、云、田. If you guys notice here, it's the same 田, but it's different 声调. So here the A is different, right? So we read it differently, like 天 and 田. So 天 is sky, 云 is cloud, and 田 is field. Moving on to the next slide, we have two more vocabularies to learn. The first one is run. Second one is 水, run, 水. So let's read together, guys. Run, 水. One more time. Run and 水. So run here is person or people. So it doesn't matter. It can be used for singular and plural. And for 水, it is water. So that's all for today's lesson. The vocabularies are quite simple, right? It's only one hand. So I will see you in our next session. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys.